So Jalen has the hiccups, and my trick is that he has to drink a cup of water upside. No, your head has to be upside down, Jalen. Your head has to be upside down. No, upside down. Put your head upside down. Bend over, and put your head upside down. Yeah, like that, and then drink it.
It's going the wrong way.
Keep trying. Your head has to be upside down. Your head is not upside down.
I need a straw.
No, no straw. You can't use a straw. Alright. Head upside down. Okay?
Like this? It's not coming to me.
It's hard, right?
Yeah.
Keep trying. No, head upside down. Not bend down. Head upside down, Jalen. You gotta bend over. Huh?
How can you... The water doesn't go that way, though. How are you supposed to do it?
Don't know.
Go like this. Drink from the opposite side of the cup, maybe. Drink from the other side.
I don't know when it's coming.
Don't worry if...
Don't worry if it
spills.
spills.
Don't worry if it spills.
Tip the
Yeah.
cup.
Tip it. Yeah. Do you get any? You don't have to drink all of it. Oh, it went up.
Oh no, it up his nose. Let's go, Jack.
Ah! It came out of my nose! Ah.
Do you still have hiccups?
No, I don't think so.
It worked!